All right, so we're going to do the fat lab, freshman biology, right? We're looking for foods that have fats in them. Fats contain 9 calories per gram, so they are much more calories than carbohydrates or proteins. They only have 4 calories per gram. And one of the things that fats do is they make grease spots, right? So maybe you've had a bag of French fries or something like that, and you bring the bag home and there's those grease spots. You are going to set up a either a paper towel like this, or I just cut out of a brown paper bag like this, put different food items. I'm going to ask you to do at least 8 food items. And for example, you put the strawberry on the strawberry spot, smush it in nice. Now I know that's leaving a wet spot and it'll soon dry, but you notice there's going to be a difference between the strawberry and the hamburger, right? When I hold it up to the light like this, you can see that the 2 positive results are going to be the hamburger and the butter. When that strawberry juice dries, and you can just blot it off or scoop it off with a spoon or whatever, it's not going to have that grease spot. There's a fancy name for that. It's called translucent. It lets light through, but it doesn't let images through. Like you couldn't see through it. It's not transparent. It's just translucent. And so the butter and the hamburger are the ones with fat inside them, right? My spinach and grapefruit, although there's spots there, they're not translucent. Now the second part of the test is showing if we drip water on these, and again, if you don't have an eyedropper of some sort at home, you can just use a straw, but you're gonna put your finger over it after you dip it in the water, and that'll act as your little eyedropper. And it should bead up on the grease spot, right? Remember that now these fats are hydrophobic. They don't like water. However, I think if you're using a brown paper bag, people in class were gonna use just a paper towel, but I got a feeling even on ones without any grease spots, they're still gonna bead up. I think that the brown paper bag has a little bit of wax in it to protect the bag. And so that test might not be as visible. If you use just a regular paper towel like this one, right? The grease spot shows up a little less, but here at hamburger meat I use, there's a little grease spot. The strawberry, although it made a mess, there isn't that translucent spot, right? So if you're remote learning, you're just gonna have to play with it and figure those things out. I would say anything that leaves a translucent spot like that with that light going through is going to be a fat product, okay? And I'd like you to test at least 8 products, okay? All right, thank you.